Welcome to my channel Sociology 3 in 1. In today's lecture, we will talk about the concept of community, its various characteristics, and then we will discuss about the types of community in detail, understanding the community as an essential component of sociology. Community is a social unit that we interact with and form relationships within, making it important for us to understand that how it works. By examining the various types of communities, we can gain insight into how individuals interact and form meaningful connections with one another in society. This introduction will explore the definition of community and its many forms, as well as look at the ways in which they influence our lives in society. And what makes community healthy? What is community? So community terms can be defined in many ways. That generally refers to the people in an area who share a common interest and support one another. Community may also be referred to the cohesiveness of society, which is usually made of people living close together with shared values and goals that they work towards together achieving those goals. It can also refer to groups of individuals coming together for mutual benefit or support, such as political groups or gatherings at religious institutions. Finally, the term community may also be used to describe people living and working alongside one another. In sociology, a community is a group of people who interact and share a common culture, identity, and environment. Examples of communities include religious groups, neighborhoods, online communities, social clubs, and professional organizations. Now we will talk about some of the characteristics of community. So let's move to all the different characteristics of community. The characteristics of a community vary widely depending on its type of community. Some communities have a strong sense of identity and shared values, while others are based on more on shared activities or interests. Other characteristics of a community may include common goals, shared resources, shared customs and cultures, historical ties, and solidarity in society. Community can also refer to a group of people who share interests or activities, such as an online community or a fan community. It can refer to the group of people with whom a person shares his or her daily life. Now we will try to explore different types of communities. Different types of communities include social communities, geographic communities, and virtual communities. Each type of community has its own unique purpose and implications, from social communities, which are used to build relationships, to geographic communities, which are used to define physical space and boundaries, to virtual communities which exist solely online. It is important to have an understanding of each type of community in order to better comprehend their respective roles in society. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you once again.